Hey, what's up, guys? This is Cody from the American Reapers, and I just wanted to come at you with a video today, just kind of explaining what this crew is and all that, and this channel, and what basically is kind of going to go down, and kind of the first two videos that were that we posted, just kind of things to get our channel, see where we just see how to do things, because I wasn't sure how to do things. So. And then my friend of mine that I'll kind of introduce and tell you about in a little bit. He showed me this video editing app, and I wanted to try it out, and I thought the exhaust tip would be kind of a different thing to try it out on. And so, without further ado, I'm just gonna kind of tell you about what we plan on doing in this channel and what videos we're gonna be posting, and basically, so. We, like I said, this is a car crew channel, or maybe I didn't say it, or car and truck crew. One person in this crew, John, wanted to make sure that people knew it was a truck crew too. But we're just gonna put videos on the car meets and us hanging out there. Every time we've had a car meet, it's been actually really fun, like lots of fun. We have a good time, we meet up and drive off somewhere, and I think it'll be a great video. And we do a whole lot of random stuff. We'll go drive out to local areas. I mean, the roads are great here, so I mean, good views on the videos, great lookouts, but other than that, just because we're all buddies in this crew, a lot of us know each other from school or neighbors, or like my brother. We're just gonna hang out, just like random videos, like going to Walmart or just going on drives together or just hanging out. I mean, there's some pretty great stuff that happens in between there, some pretty funny stuff. So, and another one we just kind of plan on doing is kind of car tours. I mean, like, we all modify our cars, so, I mean, most of them aren't really stock that drive, and I mean, if we get a cool car, we'll see what they did to their car and kind of a tour of it. So, car tours are definitely looking like we might be doing that. Definitely would like to get my F-150 because that's mostly done. Don't have a whole lot of stuff. I plan on getting a tuner program, rims, and I think a cold air intake. Just not a whole lot of stuff that I plan on doing. I got a lot of it done. So, other than that, I mean, maybe vlogs if you guys are interested in them, and just drives around the area too. Just kind of like that. I mean, if you guys are into that, and all, we can definitely do that. As for the goals of this channel, I mean, we're looking to recruit new people. It doesn't matter if they're in Florida, Alaska, we don't care, California. I mean, we're not just restricted to this area. We'd really like to have people across. We think it'd be cool to have people across the nation to be in this crew, because I mean, we are the American Reapers. So, I mean, it'd be kind of cool to see people, and I don't know, California have our decal on and sending us pictures so we can post it on our Instagram, and showing how much of us were reunited, and all of us just, oh my gosh, this is horrible, guys. But yeah, I think it'd be kind of cool just to see how many people we can get, and we all are in this crew together. So, but we're just another goal, just kind of, we're just here to have a good time and all that. So, I mean, for you guys to have a good video, put good content out and all that. So, sorry. Other than that, I mean, as for personally what we want for, if we started making money off of this and all that, we'd like to get cars, and kind of just new cars to drive around, builds. We'd like to get a warehouse. That'd be kind of cool, that we can store our cars and have our own little shop or whatever. So that'd be definitely a cool thing. But hopefully that happens. I mean, who knows? We might make it bigger and all that, but who knows? So, but as for the crew, I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit of the crew. And okay, there's no main people and all that, but on this channel you're probably gonna see a lot more of some people than others, just because they're closer friends and all that. But by no means is anyone better than anyone. I mean, that's the one thing. We had a whole bunch of people leave, but there's no really core group or whatever. But I mean, these are kind of the main guys that you'll probably see a lot on the channel. So John, he friend of mine I met in middle school, 5th grade. Yeah, 5th grade. So we've been friends since then. So I mean, definitely look for him. He'll be on the channel probably quite a bit. He's the co-president with me of this car crew. So definitely a guy that you'll probably see a lot. Other than that, Marcos, I mean, he was a neighbor. Again, I think we hung out almost every day, to be honest. I want to say 6th grade or something like that, since we met and started hanging out almost every day. So he's got a pretty cool car. I like his car. Then we got my brother Andrew. I mean, he probably won't see a whole lot of him just because he's going to be our camera guy, but he's definitely going to be part of us hanging out and all that, and he'll be getting video footage and all that. But so yeah. As for another guy, we might be on the edge for, and if he does, I mean, it'll be great. He's a good guy, so hopefully we can get him. As for the direction of the crew, it's very similar to our YouTube channels. We just want to expand it. This is our, like I said, to California, New York, who cares? I mean, be awesome. We're here to build this crew. I mean, make something of it, and just to have a good time. So along with that, we kind of want to grow our social medias and all that. So I think so far we just have YouTube, Instagram. We have a Facebook, but we really don't post it a whole lot. We don't have a Twitter yet, but all of those links will be in the description. So we have great equipment. I just recently bought the GoPro drone, so hopefully we're gonna have some sweet footage of the meets and all that, and maybe some driving. So yeah, I mean, we got the equipment to have some epic shots. So anyways, guys, like the video, comment if you were wondering about something or wanted to join the crew, and subscribe to the channel, as it really help us at this point to kind of grow. Hopefully you guys are interested into this channel and looking to see where we go from here. Alright, have a good day, guys. This is Cody from the American Reapers, and I'm signing out.